welcome to my YouTube channel. Get ready for an epic journey of entertainment, laughter and knowledge as you dive into the captivating world of Boo-Boo-Doo-Doo. Come on, Boo-Boo, get ready. My friend has invited us to a party and I have brought a dress and jewelry for you. Boo-Boo, please get ready with the dress and jewelry. I am waiting for you. And if you need anything, please let me know. I am here for you, Boo-Boo. Don't worry. I want to see your happy face with a lovely smile. And one more thing, Boo-Boo. It will take a little more time for us to return home. So be prepared for the night accordingly. Okay, Dudu, don't worry. Go and take some rest. I will manage everything. Wow, Boo-Boo, you look just like a princess. And I am a proud husband for choosing you. You are a hardworking woman with a kind heart. Yes, Dudu, because you look just like a prince. And I am a proud wife for choosing you. You are a hardworking man with a kind heart. Are you feeling comfortable, Boo-Boo? Are you enjoying the party? Please let me know if you want anything. I am here, Boo-Boo. Don't worry, Dudu. Just take a deep breath. I am comfortable here. You just go and enjoy the party. I will enjoy too. Don't worry. Have you guys seen this girl? How beautiful she is.